Hello everyone, and welcome back to our Zero to Code series. In the last video, we wrote our very first line of code. But have you ever wondered what actually happens inside the computer when you press that play button? How does Python understand what we want? Today, we will learn exactly how Python reads your commands, how to avoid the most common errors beginners make, and most importantly, we will master the 4 basic data types that are the building blocks of every single program. This is where the real magic begins. Let's get organized. Open the tutorial folder we created last time. Inside, create a new folder called second_lesson. We will work here today. Open this folder with Visual Studio Code and create a new file named first_run.py. Now please pause the video and type the code exactly as you see on my screen. Typing it helps you learn. Done. Great. Let's run it and see how it works. Look at the result in the terminal. Notice the order. It matches our code exactly. This reveals the first rule of Python. It reads your code like a book. From top to bottom, line by line. It starts at line 1, then line 2, and so on until the end. Let's prove it. I will move this Hello Python line to the very bottom. Now run it again. See? Now Hello Python prints last. You represent the boss. You tell Python strictly in what order to execute commands, and it follows your instructions blindly. Now, let's talk about rules. Python checks your code for errors before running it. If you make a typo, it breaks. For example, let's look at the print command. This is a built-in function, a tool created by Python developers to show text on the screen. Rule number 1, case sensitivity. You must write print in lowercase. If I change this P to a capital P and run it, we get an error. Python does not know what print with a big P is. It only knows print in lowercase. Rule number 2, parentheses. See these round brackets. If you open one, you must close it. A missing bracket is the most common mistake for beginners. VS Code is smart. It highlights errors in red. If you see red, stop and check your syntax. Also, keep your code clean. While spaces between print and the bracket technically work, it is bad style. Keep them together. Now let's look at the data itself. In Python, we have 4 basic types you need to memorize. Number 1, strings. This is just text. In Python, text must always live inside quotes. Double quotes or single quotes, it does not matter, as long as you match them. If you start with a double quote, you must end with a double quote. If you mix them, Python gets confused and gives you an error. Number 2, integers. These are whole numbers. Age, year, count. You can do math with them. Add, subtract, divide. Notice that we write numbers without quotes. Number 3, floats. These are numbers with a decimal point, like 3.14 or 9.99. They are siblings to integers and work great together in math formulas. Number 4, Booleans. This might seem strange now, but it is super important. There are only 2 options, true or false. Think of it like a light switch, on or off, yes or no. Crucial detail, you must write them with a capital T and a capital F, and never put quotes around them, otherwise they become just text. We will dive deeper into each of these types in the next videos. For now, your homework is simple. Type this code yourself. Do not just watch. Open VS Code, type these commands, break them, fix them, and run them. That is the only way to learn. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next lesson.